This trending mini samosa recipe is taking the internet by storm. In a bowl, crack 3 eggs, add a pinch of salt and some paprika. Mix everything well. Now add the frozen dumplings and coat them evenly in the egg mixture. Line a baking tray with parchment paper and spread the dumplings out in a single layer. Sprinkle with sesame seeds for extra crunch and flavor. Preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius and bake for about 20 to 30 minutes until golden brown and crispy. Just look at these, crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and incredibly delicious. Quick, easy, and perfect for a snack or dinner. Give this recipe a try, and let me know what you think in the comments. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and follow for more easy and delicious recipes. See you in the next video. Bye.